We're back at Branson at our favorite Fairfield Inn. I get free rooms, that's why we keep coming back. Plus, it's a good hotel, no complaints, and it's a good location. Oh my God, the gate between Walgreens and the hotel is open. I've never seen it open. It's always closed. That's interesting. All right, so I asked the lady who checked us in because I've never seen that gate open. And so they're leaving it open now because hotel guests were complaining, like when they park at that end, they couldn't back up without hitting the gate, which we always park there and backed up without hitting the gate. Well, now you have a problem with everyone cutting through, but whatever. So, you know, can't make everyone happy. But seriously, we come in here for years and it's the first time they've opened the gate. And I've already, as we've checked in and walked in, I've seen at least 10 cars cut through the Walgreens parking lot because this intersection gets really busy. So now it's just going to be a shortcut for everyone. All right, we are 306. I feel like we've had 306 before. She said they're half full because I was asking if it was like busy right now. She said they're half full and they had like a cheerleading competition this week, but they're gone. Thank goodness. Don't think I'd want to listen to teenagers while running around. 306. 306. I feel like this is the room we stayed in last time.
I think it was. Or maybe the other one.
I know that all the rooms look alike, but I'm 99% sure this is the room we stayed in last month.
It feels good in here.
Oh, it's so familiar, but they all look alike. Yeah, because our car was right there. This is definitely the room we stayed in last time.
Is it really?
It is. It is. I like it. Was that open?
A little bit.
Wow. Okay, so this is, I don't know how much this room normally costs. We always use free points. She did say something when we were checking in that they put a whole, like $40 on hold with the credit card for like if we want to charge anything to the room and incidentals, whatever. I've never mentioned that before, but it doesn't matter. We have plenty of space on our credit card, but she was very informative. I really liked her. And then of course this place has free breakfast from 6:30 to 9:30. And then they have a pool and hot tub. I wasn't paying attention. It either closes 10 or 11. We're not really pool people in a hotel. I like pools that are outdoors, not necessarily indoors. So, but it's a fair room. Barbara's gonna put our soda away. Let me go make sure the bathroom looks fine. I am the bathroom police. Oh my God, this just looks so familiar. So, yep, everything looks good. So we're here for 2 days. Oh my God, my finger is in the camera again. We're here for 2 days. I really do like this hotel. The only complaint I ever had, I think I've mentioned it once before, is these floors and walls are so thin. So when you have a herd of elephants staying above you, you hear them the whole time. Like seriously, the people above us, such heavy walkers. They woke me up at 6:30 a.m. Back and forth, what the heck are they doing? Like, I realize you have to walk to the bathroom, but 20 times? And then I fell back asleep, and then came back for breakfast. And again, at 7 a.m., back and forth. It's just, that's the only thing that really irritates me. These floors are so super thin. All right, we're gonna get our free breakfast. Let's get our free breakfast. Waffles. So it's 8:30 and it's pretty busy. Eggs. I'm definitely gonna be getting me some eggs. Chocolate chips. Thank you, honey. The eggs look really good today. I feel like I'm in like cafeteria, high school. Some more, please. Just that's good right there. Let's see, are we gonna guess bacon or sausage? I'm going with sausage. Oh, it says sausage. I guess I could read. I don't want any, thank you. All right, it's the second morning of after our second night, and we're leaving. So Robert got scrambled eggs and sausage again. I got scrambled eggs and a bagel. Again, I got woken up at 6 o'clock by very loud elephants above us. But I still like the hotel. It's just, you never know who you're gonna have above you. And the free breakfast is really good. And these eggs are really good. But this place is just extremely popular. Everybody, I'm not gonna show this room, but it's full. Everybody wants their free breakfast. I don't blame them, but it's early. It's like 7 o'clock. All right, we just checked out after breakfast. All the employees at Fairfield Inn are always super nice. I do love that about them, because we've been in hotels with crabby ass employees, but this Fairfield Inn, everyone is super nice. And we were gonna go fishing, but the temperature dropped quite a bit, and so Robert doesn't think it's good fishing weather, so we're gonna head home. I mean, we have the day off. We could do stuff, but we miss our cats. That's why we lately only take like 2-day trips, because we miss our horde of cats. So now we're gonna take the 3.5-hour drive home.